Yeah. Live and direct. You know what it is. Timing. AKA Dean the Time. What I heard. King of the Cage. All day. Yeah. Bring it in there. Let's go.
Sound of the crowd brought me out to this. Scream my name out loud, hugs, pounding fists. You can count on this. I'ma mount your chest, then I ground your flesh. Leave the ground a mess. Enter the cage, rage on your narcissist. Ripping arms and legs off of carcasses. Walking the ramp, amped up, your camp ain't ready. Pacing, heart racing, the pace of the dreaded. I crack your skull that look like spaghetti. Meat ball your noodle, sauce dripping heavy. Elbows deadly, chop like machetes. Followed by the hook, that broke the levee. Push a line, you signed and crossed it. Talking bullshit at the press conference. Now the press watching, you depressed, locked in. My new break.
Isang light, tawagin nila. Isang light, tawagin nila. Isang light, tawagin nila. Pitbull, nakatakutan ng lahat. Ugali daw ay ulul. Isang beat na nagmula sa halimaw at ng lalaka. Mali kayo, Diyos, sila'y malalambing sa bata. Pagkanan ang batikos, dumudumi kanilang imahe. Mga walang alam sa pitbull, sumasabotahe. Sila'y matatalino, kilala, hindi lang tao. Kahit 10 taon na yan, tuturing kanyang amo. Nakakatakot na intura, kabaligtaran sa postura. At sa kanyang muscle, grabe, mapapamura. Look at his headpiece, body compact in chest. Combination, dalawang beating all the way is the best. They call it monster. Pag nagbato ng mga bal, mga papi pambihira, pag umidad sila'y brutal. Sumpi mga medalya, sila ang hari sa ruweda. Champion and grand champ star, BPM bila-bila. Call it bully, pambihirang pitbull. They call it bully, pambihirang pitbull. They call it bully, pambihirang pitbull. Watch respect sa mga beat nila, lahing old school. They call it bully, pambihirang pitbull. They call it bully, pambihirang pitbull. They call it bully, pambihirang pitbull. Watch respect sa mga beat nila, lahing old school. Naaling ko sa lahat ng katulad kong pitbullero. At sa mga taong walang alam sa beat nila. Ang pitbull ay isang sa pinakamabait na aso. Mukha lang mabagsik pero wala naman tong kaso. Kennel's Kennel, Dynasty Kennel, Filipino Wolves Inc., Ichi Bully Kennel, Pinoy Pitbullero, Hellhounds Kennel, CPL Kennel, J-Rock Bullies, Bayani Bullies, Far East Bullies, Stupid Kennel, Bully Pit Stop, Metro Pits Kennel, Suwail Kennel, Bell Rocks Bullies Inc., Six Pack Kennel, Guerra South Kennel, 213 Bullies, Pinoy Bully Squad, Lower Man Kennel, Cavite Pitbull Kennel, Sandugo Kings, LBK, Love, Batangas Pitbull Kennel, Notorious 360, Ruthless Kennel, Spinash Kennel, Monster Dal Kennel, BI Kennel, Bully Pinas, Boss One Legion,